Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Professor Sana Parveen Kamran Ahmed, working as an assistant professor in MGVS Arts, Commerce and Science College, Malegaon City. Today, my presentation is focused on the cell structure, its components, features with functions, as well as comparison between eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Then first we start cell structure. We see that a one of the most important component of cell is nothing but the cell membrane. Cell membrane जैसा कि हम देख रहे हैं, it is a outer membrane of the cell, that is it is a protective layer of the cell. We can define as a cell membrane. Cell membrane is nothing but the plasma membrane is a thin semi-permeable membrane that surrounds the cytoplasm of a cell. The main important function of cell is nothing but the to keep toxic substances out of the cell, as well as the plasma membrane regulates the entry and exit of the cell. Many molecules cross the cell membrane by diffusion and osmosis process. We see that a next component is nothing but the mitochondria. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. They are organelles that as like act like a digestive system. डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में क्या होता है हमें पता है, एनाबोलिज्म का प्रोसेस होता है और कैटाबोलिज्म का प्रोसेस होता है. एनाबोलिज्म में क्या होता है कि ये मेकिंग प्रोसेस है, जबकि कैटाबोलिज्म प्रोसेस कैसा है, ब्रेक डाउन प्रोसेस है, which takes in nutrient, break them down and create energy rich molecule for the cell. Then next function of mitochondria is nothing but the organelles found are in cytoplasm of most cells. They are essential to healthy living cells as they play an important role in the way cells function in the body. And mitochondria generate energy for the cell to carry out the activities. This energy is in the form of adenosine triphosphate. We can also say that ATP. Then our next component is nothing but the endoplasmic reticulum. It is represented by ER. It is also of two types. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum and another one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. One of the most important function of endoplasmic reticulum is nothing but it responsible for the transportation of protein and other carbohydrates to another organelles, which include lysosome, Golgi apparatus, plasma membrane, etc. Then they provide the increase the surface area for cellular रिएक्शन. सेलुलर रिएक्शन के लिए ये सरफेस एरिया को क्या कर देता है, बढ़ा देता है. दे हेल्प इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन ड्यूरिंग सेल डिवीजन. जैसा कि हमने पहले लेक्चर में देखा कि सेल डिवीजन कैसे होता है कि एक सेल डिवाइड होता है दो में, फिर वो दो सेल फर्दर डिवाइड होता है चार सेल में, और ये प्रोसेस कैसे होता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ मियोसिस एंड माइटोसिस. Then next component we seen a Golgi complex or Golgi body. Its definition is nothing but stacks of small flat sacs formed by membrane inside the cell cytoplasm. This is a gel-like fluid. The main important function of Golgi body is linked to the cell's post office, and a major function is the modifying, sorting and packing of the protein for their secretion. Our next point is, or our next component is nothing but the lysosome. its definition is nothing but an organelles in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell containing degradative enzymes enclosed in a membrane. The main important function of the lysosome is the key organelles involved in digestion and waste removal is the lysosome. Our next point is peroxisomes. It is also a part of cell structure or cell component, which is nothing but the small organelles present in the cytoplasm of many cells, which contain the reducing enzyme catalase and usually some oxidase. A main important function of peroxisome is nothing but they involve lipid production or also involved in oxidation reaction in the cells. Then another some components को हम पहले ही एक्सप्लेन कर चुके हैं विथ सूटेबल एग्जाम्पल और विथ सूटेबल फंक्शन के साथ पहले लेक्चर में. इसके बाद हम देखते हैं कंपैरिजन बिटवीन द यूकैरियोटिक सेल एंड प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल विथ इट्स फंक्शंस. फर्स्ट comparison of prokaryotic and eukaryotic is that then in prokaryotic cell no membrane bound nucleus is present. Our next point, in eukaryotic cell membrane bound nucleus is present, जैसा कि आप लोग फिगर में देख सकते हैं. then next, cell wall made up of peptoglycan, while in eukaryotic cell wall if present made up of cellulose. Our next comparison of prokaryotic cell is nothing but the no membrane bound organelles is present, while in eukaryotic cell membrane bound organelles are present. Our next comparison is that a cell size ranges from 0.5 um to 100 um, while in eukaryotic cell size ranges from 10 to 150 um. जैसा कि आप लोग यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं कि किस तरह से यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन करके बताया गया इन प्रोकैरियोट्स एंड यूकैरियोट्स. देन नेक्स्ट टॉपिक विल बी डिस्कस्ड टुमारो. थैंक यू.